So today we're doing tunnel cleaning. We started the tunnel cleaning at Easter block of line this year, and today we'll continue to cleaning the rest of the tunnel. So Parnell Tunnel has been in place for over 100 years. So after we completed our water blasting, we will be able to see the condition of the tunnel. This is a critical step for us to make sure the rail through the tunnel is safe to run. This is also an important step for us in preparation for this Christmas block of line works. So during this Christmas, we will be upgrading the track, formation and drainage inside the tunnel. We'll utilize public holidays to close the tracks and access the rail network in order for us to complete any necessary upgrades. So when we close the track down, we will have personnel working 24/7. There will be high rail equipment and plant on track doing necessary repair works. This will enable public to enjoy a safe and reliable rail network.